In this video we're going to be looking at the new hero custom panel. So we can see we already have a hero set up, but we wish to put a panel on the right hand side. So we go into admin, we have a new entry for custom panel, access it via the left or the right, and when we select it we have the same concept as with the hero where you can select which page you want this panel to appear. So we can enable, and then we see 4 different layouts. So the first is an alert layout, second is a contact layout, the third is information on news, and the fourth is a promotion. So under the different layouts we now have a set of common fields to fill in. Our header, our subheading, an image if required, and then the content at the bottom. We can also click on preview, actually see how that's going to look. Once we've completed the content, we can also add a link, a call to action. So we can give a button text, and we can also put in there a URL. We can also override the default theme if we wish to. But for this example, we will just apply, and then we'll go back to the home page and see how that looks. So we can see we've got the normal hero on the left and we've got the custom panel on the right. But we might want to make a visual change to that. So we can go back into the admin, we can scroll down, and we can select the theme. We can override the standard theme. We can now see our options, which again are similar to the main hero, of setting whether it's an image, it's solid background, background image, and also the brightness. But in this instance we're going to change the text to be the primary colour. And we can preview this, we can see exactly how it's going to look, and we can then commit that and apply. If we go back to the main site, we can now see that the new hero panel is on the right hand side with that colour and the call to action button.